Hi everyone, welcome to Project of the Day. My name is Tobias and this is my shop. I got lots of questions from the last video when I created these storage boxes about how tricky is it if you want to run more of the same boxes in your planer modeler. And today we will go through how I make templates to set it up and see how easy it is. I hope you enjoy. The goal is always to get the same profile as I have on this one. For that I need to set these two knives and this one, the distance like this, and the height for this one, and the fence here. And on the back on all this knife there is a holder that it will always be in the same spot, and I mark it after this one because the shape of the knife and so on can be rounded, so I always take the holder for the knife, put in the board and push it up here. So then I trace it like this. Now I made two cutouts for each one, and you should have a really snug fit here. So it should be tight against here. So it seems to be perfect. The next thing I do is on this piece I write down the number of the knife I'm using. 9, 4, 2, 6, 1. Another one is 9, 4. And the next distance we need to take is the width of the board. It's decided by this straight knife and this fence. So I index the knife to the side of the machine and the fence to the side of the machine. And then tack it against the border of the machine and make a mark. And at the same time I can make a mark for the fence. Then I go to the table saw and cut away. So now you can see really snug fit here against the fence and also for the knife. So and the next thing we need to take care of is the height of this rounding knife. We just remove this one. Just remove this one, and here you see the rounding of the board. And under here we have spacers that decide the height of the cutter. So we have, let's see, 20 mil, 10 mil. Each one of these is a half mil, so that's one more mil. And each of these one is a quarter of a mil. So we have 31.5 mil. Then I write down here 31.5 mil. Then I write the knife number. And the last thing I need is the height of the table. For this one I'm just write what's standing here, since it's not that important critical that the height is exactly the same. If it's more critical I take a measure inside instead of the height of the table. So this is what you need. Next time I'm going to set up the planer for the same boxes. It probably takes me 2-3 minutes to set up the machine. And this, when I have done a couple of them, it takes maximum 5 minutes. If I make a special door molding or something, I never know if someone gonna contact me and want the same again. So write the customer name on it and you have it. Okay, let's check. How long time does it take to set up the machine when we have our template right now? I will not talk anything more. I will just start to add things.
We're falling like stars, and I didn't notice the chaos inside my Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. When were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. I feel so close to you. What if you really knew? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. You thought I knew. You thought I knew.
Done. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and write any questions down in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming films. Thank you. Bye.